Much like mechanical keyboards have become indispensable for typists and gamers seeking precision, comfort, and durability, air pollution masks are increasingly essential for anyone living in or traveling to areas with poor air quality. This guide evaluates 5 of the best air pollution masks based on List none. 3M half-face piece reusable respirator 6200. NIOSH 4-point harness, comfortable fit, dual airline supplied air compatible. The 3M half-face piece reusable respirator 6200 is a professional-grade solution for serious air quality challenges. Certified by NIOSH, this respirator provides excellent protection against dust, particulates, and fumes when paired with appropriate filters or cartridges. Its 4-point harness ensures a snug and secure fit, while the lightweight, low-profile design enhances comfort and visibility. Being reusable, it's also more environmentally friendly and economical in the long run compared to disposable masks. List 10 pieces of activated carbon PM2.5 mask filters and 4 exhaust valves. Non-woven air pollution face mask filters, inserts. For those who already own a reusable fabric mask with a filter pocket, these PM2.5 activated carbon filters are an affordable way to maintain high filtration efficiency. This pack includes 10 non-woven filters and 4 replacement exhaust valves, providing added breathability and extended use. These filters help trap fine particles, dust, pollen, and smog, making them perfect for city commuters or anyone exposed to air pollution on a daily basis. List number KN95 face mask, 25 PCs, WW-Doll multiple color 5 layers KN95 masks. Filter efficiency equals 95% protection against PM2.5 dust. The WW-Doll KN95 face masks offer certified protection with a filtration efficiency of equals 95%, making them a strong barrier against dust, PM2.5 particles, and smog. This pack of 25 masks comes in multiple colors, allowing you to maintain a bit of personal style while staying safe. Each mask is constructed with 5 layers for maximum filtration and features an adjustable nose bridge and soft ear loops for a secure yet comfortable fit. Lightweight and foldable, these masks are perfect for travel. List number 4 ASTM Level 3 disposable face masks, 3-ply ASTM F2123. Breathable blue face mask for air pollution. For high-performance disposable masks, the ASTM Level 3 face mask offers medical-grade protection with a 3-ply construction. Tested to meet ASTM F2123 standards, these masks provide excellent filtration against particulates and splashes while remaining breathable and comfortable for extended wear. The classic blue design and pleated structure ensure a universal fit and professional look. List number 5. Lock Fancy NIOSH N95 Mask, 15 PCS particulate respirator with breathing valve, disposable air filter masks against dust. For those who need industrial strength protection with added comfort, the Lot Fancy NIOSH certified N95 masks are a solid choice. These disposable respirators filter at least 95% of airborne particles and come with an exhalation valve to reduce heat and moisture buildup inside the mask. With a secure headband fit and contoured shape, they stay in place and seal effectively. This 15-pack is great for construction workers,